Hello everyone, today I am very excited to introduce a new player in the world of AI image generation, BlueWillow. If you have used Midjourney before, then you will feel just as comfortable with BlueWillow. BlueWillow is an AI image generator that works with Discord and is currently in beta phase, while Midjourney has over 10 million users. BlueWillow is still a baby compared to its 200,000 users. How does BlueWillow work?
It's easy to participate in the BlueWillow beta. Just accept the invitation and join the Discord channel. Once you're in, you can start generating images by entering /imagine in a rookie or branch channel. In just under a minute, type in the image prompt you want. BlueWillow will give you a grid of 4 images in return, from which you can choose. Just like on the journey, you can scale the variations and even reroll the dice if you don't like the results. BlueWillow versus Midjourney in terms of results and differences. You may be wondering how BlueWillow compares to Midjourney in terms of results. I tested both AI image generators with the same prompts, and while both can create beautiful images, there are some differences between the two. BlueWillow seems to have a more playful aesthetic, while Halfway Journey is more artistic. Another important difference between the two is that BlueWillow is free at the moment, while Midway requires a subscription after the first 25 image prompts are displayed. Limitations of BlueWillow, including lack of image settings and organization. All things considered, BlueWillow is a worthy competitor in the world of AI-based image creation, but it has its limitations. At the moment, it doesn't seem to support any parameters other than aspect ratio. Also, the image organization is a bit lacking compared to Midjourney's gallery. Conclusion. Thank you for coming to see me today to discover BlueWillow. If you are looking for an easy-to-use and free AI image generator, then BlueWillow is for you. Feel free to try it and share your results with us in the comments. See you soon for a new video.